We are thrilled to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this quick and simple video I would like to show how you can check OPPO mobile activation date. So to start, you will need to launch settings, enter the about device category, then go for status, and in here copy any of the two email numbers or one email number if your phone is a one SIM card device. So copy any email number you have, doesn't matter. Usually you can do that by tap and holding at it. Then open the web browser of your choice. Visit the email.info website. At the main web page you'll have this field which you will need to pass your email number to. Then confirm that you are a human by performing the captcha check. Then hit the check button over here. Once the phone specifications will be provided to you, you will need to go for warranty and country section. And here is your registration date. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.